Ellen and I are enjoying the outside winter wonderland here in our city, and we want you to enjoy what we're looking at. Okay, everyone? And you don't want to look at me all the time, but I just want to say hello to everyone out there, and thank you to all our subscribers, our new subscribers, and thanks for watching. Okay, so enjoy this vlog. It's a shorty, but it's a goodie. Okay, bye bye. Hello over there. Beautiful day to walk in the park.
We are in a winter wonderland.
It sure is winter wonderland. Wow, look at you go in this snow.
Look.
I know, kick it. Let me come over there. Stay there and keep kicking. Wow.
Woo.
Nice. I wish your family could experience this.
Someday.
Yeah, someday, you're right. Okay, let's go enjoy. Okay, we're in the deep freeze. It's pretty cold here. It's about -5, I would say. Just to let you know how much snow there is, I'm going to show my feet somehow here. There we go. And it doesn't take long to completely submerge my feet in the snow. So you can get a good idea how much snow we have. Quite a bit, but I love snow, and we're in this beautiful park. Ellen's here somewhere taking some pictures. Oh, there she is. Let's go over to her. Ah, found her. Hello, dear. Oh, you're gonna dance for me? You're running away. Let me see your feet. Dance in the snow there. Kick it all over. I'm showing you how much snow we actually do have.
Look.
Yeah?
So much snow.
Yeah, there's just a lot.
Oh.
And it's cold.
Very cold.
Jeez, it's so cold.
Freezing. It's deep.
Yeah.
It's deep.
I know. Okay. Fun, fun, fun. Fun in the snow. Hey dear, what's going on? What do you see here?
I'm coming up to the snowman.
Oh, there's a snowman.
There's a snowman here.
Well, it looks about your height.
Yeah.
Let's go take a look.
I better have a picture of it.
Oh, yeah, I'm following you. You can take a picture with it.
Yeah.
Oh, it has a face on it. It has arms. Go beside him.
Hallelujah.
Her. Look at that. Arms.
Oh my God, whoever did it.
Aww.
Beautifully done.
Arms.
Oh wow.
It's got hair too. Look at that on top.
Wow.
Got hair, nose,
Very
eyes, nice arms, and buttons. There we go. Want to stand beside it? Want to see the height? Same height. Put your arm around him or something. Oh, if you can get to it. There. What should we name her? Baldy?
I don't know.
Very
Well,
cute. Very
Call
cute.
him or her. There's no gender for this.
No.
Snow.
It's a
Snowman.
It's a non-gender, but we'll call it a snowman.
Mr. Snowman, I should
Mr.
say.
Snowman. Wow. Okay, let's
Mr.
take
Snowman.
we better take a picture with you.
I'm cool.
Okay, I'm getting cold, so I'm going to turn this off now. Dear, what happened? You're shaking? Let me see everything on you here. Snow is everywhere.
I'm so
You're covered inside.
covered in snow.
Oh, your hat.
Yeah.
Let me see your. Take that off. Let's see. Oh. Whoa.
Hello.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm stuffed with snow.
Can you tell everyone
It's
so
super
thanks for
cold.
watching and like and subscribe? Yeah.
Oh, hi friends, families and relatives around the world. Please like and subscribe. I'm very cold
I
at the
know. I want to
moment.
say it in just Tagalog too.
Kamusta sa inyo?
Okay.
Look. How do I look? I'm really freezing here.
We're gonna get in the car shortly.
Yeah, I'm fully loaded with
You're
snow.
loaded in snow. We gotta warm you up.
All right.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye everyone.
Thank
Thanks.
you for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching.